Good morning, children. All of you, page number, open page number 70. All of you, your textbooks, open 70 page number. Okay. In this 70 page number, yesterday I had given homework to you. All are completed? Okay. See, again I am saying that answers now. Once check out. Okay. See here, 11 ones means regrouping here. What is that? Regrouping means separate the tens and separate the ones. In this 11, how many tens are there? That is 1. So here 10. And ones, how many? 1. So totally 10 plus 1, 11, no? So 11 is the answer. Okay. Next, here 17 ones. In this 17 ones, first write down tens. Okay, 10. Okay. In 17, in the 17, 10 remove it. Then how many numbers are there? 10 is one group now. Okay, one group less than 17. Okay, then in 17, 10 numbers will go out. Then another how many numbers are there? That is counted. 10 after up to 17 you have to count. 10 after up to 17, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many numbers are there? This is 5 and this is 2. 5 after 6, 7. So here 7 ones. So the answer is 17. Okay? Okay. Once check your answers. Okay na? Then the second bit, count forward and backward and write the missing numbers. Okay. Yesterday I told to you that is forward counting and backward counting. Okay. Forward counting means that is after numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Backward counting means before numbers will come. Means 10. From 10 to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that. That is before counting, backward counting. Okay. Before numbers will come. Understand? So here count forward. Forward means after numbers. So write 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. 9 after 10. 10 after 11. 11 after 12. 12 after 13. 13 after 14. Like this. This is the forward counting. Okay. What is that? Forward count means that is after numbers will come, that only forward counting. Okay. Next, here count backward. Count backward. So which side is there this arrow mark? From here to here. Okay, understand? This forward count means from here to here, like this going. Okay, this is forward counting. Okay, this is backward counting means, see here this arrow mark which side will go? See, like this, from here to here. So you have to write from here to here, start from here. Okay, then say 15 before number. What is that 15 before number? 14. Okay, 14 before number? 13. 13 before number? 12. 12 before number? 11. 11 before number? 10. 10 before number? 9. 9 before number? 8. 8 before number 7. 7 before number 6. Okay. Okay, this is the backward counting. Okay, understand? Next coming to 71 page number. All of you see about 71 page number. Okay, here one topic is given. What is that topic name? That numbers on abacus. Numbers on abacus. Okay, let us see what is that abacus. Okay, see that abacus is a tool used to represent numbers. Abacus is a tool, like abacus is tool. Tool means instruments. Tool means instruments used to represent numbers. This instrument means this tool represent the numbers. It has rods called spikes. Okay, once look at this one. Okay, it has rods. This is the rods. Okay, this one rod and this one rod. Okay, it has rods called spikes. What is this called? Spikes. Okay, what we have to call these rods? That is spikes. Okay, this is one spike and this also one spike. Then where we put beads, okay, where we have to put beads, that is the spike. Okay, understand? These two are rods, but no need to call rods. Okay, this is spikes, this is the beads. Okay, where we put beads, that is the spike. Okay, where we put beads, this is called beads. Okay, where we put beads, that is in the spike only. Okay, each spike can have a maximum of 9 beads. Okay, one spike have maximum beads. What is the maximum beads? Then see here, like this remaining, how many beads will have that spike, means that is how many this spike can have a maximum of 9 spike, means more beads. How many beads will fit in this spike? That is 9 beads. Understand? How many beads fit in the spike? That is 9 beads only. Okay, look at the abacus shown below. Okay, here shown below, look at this one. It has 2 spikes. It has 2 spikes. What is this called? Spikes. Okay, tens and ones. This is the tens place spike and this is the ones place spike. Each bead in the ones spike stands for 1 1. That means each bead in the ones spike. Here ones place, no? Okay, in this number, which one is ones place? This one. So this is the ones place spike. Okay, you already know ones place, tens place. I already told to you. Okay, in this 14 number, right hand side ones place and left hand side, that is tens place. Okay, here in this 14, which number is there for right hand side? That means ones place, that is 4. Okay, this is the ones place spike. Okay, next, each bead in the tens spike stands for 110. This is the tens place, no? Ones place after tens place will come. This tens place spike stands for 110. Okay, this is the tens place spike. This is the ones place spike. Means right hand side one spike is there, no? That is the ones place spike, and left hand side one spike is there, no, that is tens place spike. Okay, so the given abacus shows 110 and 4 ones. 110, this is the tens place, no, that's why 1 tens. Okay, 4 ones, this is ones place, no, so 4 ones. Which number is, which number, that is 14. That means what, here 14 number is given. Okay, in ones place 4, then how many beads are there? 1 2 3 4, 4 number, so 4 beads. Okay, then 1 number, so 1 bead, that's it. Okay, here which number given, no, that number beads you have to draw. Understand, you have to draw that numbers only, that's it. Okay, here 4 number given, so 4 beads you have to draw. Then 1 number given, so 1 bead draw. Understand, when there are no beads in any spike, we write 0 to represent that place. Okay, if in case here 1 0 10 is there, then how you want to write this one? See, here 1, so 1 bead draw. Okay, here 0, then no need to draw any bead. Okay, no need to draw any bead. So this spike is will 0, this spike will 0, number will represent that place. Okay, here 10, 0 means nothing to draw this one's place. Okay, so that 0 will represent the place. Understand, if here any beads are not there, so you have to write 0 only. Understand, if any beads are not there in this spike, for example I am saying, if any beads are not there in this spike, so you have to write 0 only. Okay, that's it. Understand? Okay, next, understand what is this called, these 2 rods, what we have to call, that is spikes. Then this one, what we have to call this one, that is beads. This is the ones place spike and this is the tens place spike. Like numbers, like only, like that numbers only. Okay, right hand side ones place, no, this also right hand side ones spike. Left hand side tens place, no, left hand side tens spike. Understand? Maximum how many beads are fit in this spike? That is 9 only. Maximum 9 beads only fit in this spike. Okay, na? Then see here 1 bit is given. What is that? Write the number shown by the given abacus. Write the number shown by the given abacus means here spikes are given. Okay, depending on this spike you have to write the numbers. Okay, you have to base this spike and write the numbers. Okay, understand now? Here see and write how many beads are there, then which number you want to write. Okay, see here in ones place how many beads are there, that is 1 2 3, so write 3 number, ones place 3 number. Okay, in tens place 1 number, 1 bead only there, no, then write 1. Then what is the number here? 13. Okay, understand? How many beads are there? How that one write the number only. Okay, suppose 5 beads are there, write 5 number. 1 bead is there, then write 1 number. 6 beads are there, then write 6 number. Okay, like that only, simple. Understand? See here, how many beads are there, that number only you have to write here. Understand? See here how many beads are there. Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many beads are there? 8 beads are there. Then which number you want to write? 8 only. Okay, then this is the 1 spike. Next 10th spike is there, no? Then here how many beads are there? Nothing beads are there. Any bead is not there. So write 0. Otherwise leave it. The left side 0, that is countless. Okay. Number before 0, that is countless. Number after 0, we have to count it. Understand? This number before 0, that no need to count. This number after 0 only we have to count it. Okay. Then here write again how many beads are there. Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then how many beads are there? 7. Then which number we want to write? 7. Okay. Then here how many beads are there? 1. Then write 1. Then totally how which number will come? Which number is coming? That is 17. Okay, now next, in 1's place no beads are there, so write 0. But in 10's place 2 beads are there, so write 2. Okay, this 0 only we have to count. Means that number after 0 only we have to count, that is 2 0 20. Okay, this number before 0 we should not count. Okay, count this 8 only, no need to count that 0. Understand? Then as your wish, you want to write or you don't want to write, as your wish. Okay, but this one should not count it. This only we have to count. Okay, na? Next, see here, in this spike how many beads are there? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, how many beads are there? That is 9. So write 9 number. Okay, in 10's place spike how many beads are there? That is only 1 bead is there, so write 1 number. Okay, now which number came? That is 19. 1 9 19. Like this you have to do. Okay, understand now all members? Okay, simple, no? Simple, very simple. Okay, then turn the page. Turn the page. Page number 72. Page number 72. Okay, see here in this page, second bit also given. Okay, here show the given number on the abacus by drawing beads. Show the given number on the abacus by drawing beads. Then here what they had given? Here numbers given. Numbers given. But in spikes, empty spikes are given. Understand now? In this before bit, beads are given and we had to write the numbers. We had written numbers. Understand now? This before bit, what we completed, that that is beads given. Beads had given and we had completed the numbers. Okay, they given beads, we had completed the numbers in this before bit. But in this bit, here numbers are given. Okay, numbers had given, then we have to draw the beads. We had to draw the beads. Okay, see here, ones place spike. This also ones number, ones place number. So which number is there here? This is 2. Then draw 2 beads like this. Understand? Okay. Next, here ones place, tens place. In this tens place spike. So which number they given? That is 1. So draw 1 bead only. Okay, here 1, here 2. That is the draw of beads, drawing of beads. Okay, then same like that only. Here how many numbers are given, that many beads you have to draw. That's it. Okay, in this before bit what I had completed, how many beads are they given, that number we had written. Okay, but in this bit which number they given, that many beads we have to write. Understand now? See here 1, write 1 bead. Here 7, draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw 7 beads like this. See here 1, 1. This 7, 7. Okay, clear? Next, see here 9. Okay, single number means that is ones place only. Okay, here given single number. So we have to count that is ones place only. Okay, here ones place spike is there. So this also ones place. No need to draw in this spike. This is the ones place spike and this ones place number only. Okay, draw this ones place spike on the ones place spike only. Okay, here 9 beads, 9 number given. So draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 beads we draw. But here tens place nothing number have. Nothing number will be there here. Okay, then leave it this spike also. Okay, here any number not there. So here also don't draw any beads. That's it. Understand? Here in tens place any number not given. So you should not draw any bead. Okay. Next, here 15 number given. Ones place and tens place. Ones place spike and tens place spike. Okay. See here in ones place which number is there? That is 5. So you have to draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then in tens place which number is there? That is 1 only. So draw 1 bead only. Okay, understand? Okay, then remaining last one. Okay, see here this is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place spike, this is tens place spike. Okay, which number is there in ones place? That is 1. So draw 1 bead. Which number is there in tens place? That is 1 only. Then draw one bead. So 1, 1, 11. Completed. 1, 5, 15. This is 9 only. Okay. This is 1, 7. 1, 2. That is the abacus, drawing of beads. Okay. Understand? Okay. Okay. That's it today. Tomorrow we will discuss the other things. Okay.